Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the UAG Plasma XTE case for the 16 Pro. I need to give UAG a shout out for actually sending this case out to me for a review. I will have links in the description. If you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? How strong is the magnet? How good is that kickstand? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? How good are the buttons? Does it add bulk? The overall fit? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. And I like getting to the point. I don't sugarcoat nothing. I don't do no fluffy stuff. Let's just get into it. Here's the case itself. Bam. 20 feet of drop protection. Built-in magnet. Bam. You can pick this up for the 16 Pro Max too. So if you're watching it for the Max, you can pick it up from the Max also. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. Nice presentation. UAG always has great presentation with the boxes. But here is the case. So it's going to show off the beauty. Might show off some fingerprints. They do have a cutout for the charging port there. I mean the camera button there. You do have a little bit of UAG logo there too. Bam. Let's see how this case fits. You do get camera protection. You also do get lip protection all the way around there. You also have the cutouts there. You have a lot of room for your charging port. The camera button cutout is there. They could make it a little bit tighter in there, but that's not bad. Let's see, can you actually use it? Yeah, you can use it. You have good function with it. But that's not bad though. The power button is nice and tactile. Easy to press. The Vine rockers are the same. The action button is easy to get to. Not bad at all. It doesn't really add bulk to your phone. Not much at all. I wouldn't say it's a bulky case. It does have corner protection. You can see from this picture here or this angle, you have corner protection. So you dropping your phone, it will protect it from the drops. I like how this looks like metal, or you know, like almost the same color as my phone. And it's sturdy too. Definitely a sturdy kickstand. Let's check out the overall fit. It fits really snug. Man. And trying to get it out of it, yeah, you can hear that snap there. So overall, it's a great fitting case. How strong is this magnet? Let's check out the kickstand first too. So you can use it like this. You probably can use it this way too, and even vertical. I mean, if you wanted to, you can even lay it back some. So you have multiple angles that you can use this kickstand. Like the little UGA logo there, UAG. I don't know. Let's check out how strong the magnet is. I mean, it kind of pulled it away. Let's try that again. So the magnet is there. It's not one of the strongest magnets. So I will be honest. It's not one of the strongest ones. But again, for most everyday use, you shouldn't have a problem with using this at all. Now the one thing too is that it starts pulling away the kickstand, like you can tell. I wish more companies would do like a little button you have to press. But overall, I won't fail this magnet, but if you want a super heavy duty magnet, this case may not be for you. But if you are coming from Android and you don't really use MagSafe, or you don't use MagSafe in your car too much, or live on a country road, you should be fine. You really should be fine. Even with this ring holder, you can see it stays in there pretty good too. So let's go over it really quick. It checks off a lot of boxes. Power button, the buttons feel great on here. The overall fit is really good too. Not bad at all. Coming from all the sides there. Everything lines up. It looks great in my phone looks great in here. I like how sturdy the kickstand is, how versatile it is. You have many different options or ways you can actually use it. One thing, the magnet could be a little bit stronger on there. You get camera protection, you get lip protection on here. So it's a solid case. I'm just worried that people will be upset about the magnet, but I mean, I can see people rocking this case. UAG's been around for a while. They make some really great cases. People may not like the camera button either, but for me, it works. You have a lot of room to go down in there and press it, so for me, it works. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.